What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to a brand new video. So today's video is Audi A3. As you can see by them badass looking seats, they look like the RS6 and RS3 seats. Only difference, they're not leather. But yeah, guys, Audi A3, this is the car I've been talking about, and I did purchase this vehicle. It is a HPR clear car, non-categorized. It did have a little bit of damage to the front wing. I have replaced the front wing. I'll show you what the car looked like when I first got it right about now. Have a look at this beast. Ooh, listen to that. Right. So as you can see, we've got a bit of camber. There's nothing wrong with it. We actually got some kind of damage, so we need to pop this wheel off and have a look what's really up with it and take it from there. But other than that, you know, she's looking all right. Now that you see what the car looked like, I'll get out of the car and show you what it looks like after I replace the wing and show you what we got going on. Let's have a look. Right, guys, have a look at that. This is the Audi A3 I've been mentioning. We do have some lack of appeal, as you can see by that front bumper. The front bumper is definitely going to be needing a good painting, and that's why I've got the paint. You can see how bad it is actually around there when you actually look. I'm not sure if you can see that, but yeah, you can see there's paint peel on it. It's crazy as well, that door looks like it's actually a different shade, so I think I'm definitely going to need to give that a good polish, see how that turns out. But yeah, guys, have a look all around. Really nice. We've got some tinted windows. Some already done a few little mods to the car, so quite lucky about that. Got a little bit of thing here, so I'm going to see what I can do about that. Give it a little touch up with a pen maybe. Wheels are actually all right. There's no curbing on that wheel, so that one there is actually okay. That one there is actually okay as well. That's the wing there we need to sort out, so sand that down, get it painted. And obviously the front bumper, actually the wheels ain't too bad, man. I could just touch up that little bit there. What about the rear? Oh, the rear, this one here is pretty bad. Definitely gonna need to sort that out. But yeah, guys, let's pop this open, show you what that looks like. I love this sort of like a carbon look. Nice, stunning. Look at them seats. Yeah, bad boy. Let's get back in the car. Right, guys, I think you can agree with me, the car looks really nice. I do love the interior as well. Really nice interior. I mean, that's a hell of a seat for a 1.6, guys. You gotta agree with me, hell of a seat for a 1.6. This car here is you know, sort of an entry-level young person. You know, it's not over the top. It's pretty much a Fiesta type, you know, in that category, Vauxhall Corsa. So yeah, I mean, when you guys looking at cars, I mean, you can see the difference between what Audis and Fiestas and Corsas are like. I mean, the interior of this is really outstanding. Let me flip the camera around actually. Right, I'm gonna put the key in and can't go wrong. Come on, focus. Starts up really nice. Oh yeah, I have started heating the gym, by the way. But yeah, man. Right, guys, absolutely exhausted. I'm finally glad we got a video on the car. As you can see, it's a lot darker because I've been sitting here for over 2 hours trying to do the same video. I've been up until 6:30 in the morning, got up at 8:20, took my little daughter to school, not had no sleep. I've been thinking of a name for the company, start a domain, a website, all that kind of stuff, and every time I was thinking of the names, I was like, this not right, nah, I don't like. And yeah, I literally spent my whole night up thinking of a fucking name. Anyways, I'm exhausted. Finally got a video done on the Audi A3. Let me go upload it, and you guys can enjoy it, fingers crossed. Make sure you give us a like, make sure you subscribe to the channel as well. 2022, guys, we've got big plans. We've got about 10 cars, guys, logbooks for every single car. So today, actually, when I got up, or took my daughter to school, I actually went to get a battery for the Citroen C1. So there's a lot of shit going on in the background, guys. I'm literally doing 5 videos in one day, so a lot of shit goes into doing this YouTube stuff. So make sure you guys appreciate the content, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Really helps us. See you people in the next one. I'm pretty sure you're going to like what we got planned. If the lowering springs turn up tomorrow, we'll be lowering the car. If not, we'll be getting the cosmetic stuff sorted. So stay tuned. See you people in the next one, guys. Bye bye.